banners are red with sin. She took her blade of silver steel and led her soldiers in. But the cries of war grew hollow and her courage turned to stone when the traitors bound her hands that day and left her all alone. Raise your cups and sing her name, though her mind was torn apart. Through the storm and through the sorrow, burn the iron in her heart. Let no chain nor cruel whisper keep her spirit cast away. For the woman who was broken rose again. They came with fire, the banners are red with sin. She took her blade of silver steel and led her soldiers in. But the cries of war grew hollow and her courage turned to stone when the traitors bound her hands that day and left her all alone. Raise your cups and sing her name.